Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. Hello. 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 Hey. What? How did I not take fall damage? That's my question. Yo, stream, you saw that? I did not take fall damage. Yeah, I'm streaming. Alright. Why are we on build mode, bruh? I didn't spawn with a gun. This is hell no. No, this time I'm live. I'm on OBS right now. Yep, I did. Yo, look at my gameplay. Alright, where are you going? Alright. I had no help. Yeah, right. No flipping way. I, oh, my stuff. Yes, it's here. Uh, this these ain't that good of players, but bro, this ain't fair, bro. Bro's carrying me, bro. Y'all toxic for that. Hello, you got Mike? Opposite. Opposite. Okay, bro's invincible. Ah, I can't hit you. Oh, remember how y'all carried me? Oh, your game crashed. That's not good. Oh, I can't get out of the storm, bro. Why is the storm so fast? I swear the storm is a lot faster this season. I'm tired. I'm tired. One of my viewers' streams crashed. I mean, not streams, freaking game. I. But you see the counter, right? The sub counter. One of my viewers' streams crashed. I mean, not streams. Yeah, I know. I. But you see the counter, right? The sub counter. Yeah. What the? I'm losing viewers or something. What the heck? Interact. Is that channel viewers? Yes, I'm losing viewers. No, like that number that says 414. 413 now. Right here. 413. I could make it bigger and you could see it. Do you see the number that says 411? Hold on. Now 410. Yeah. There's too many people in there, man. Yo, you like how I did that with the Battle Royale right in the middle of that? You like how I did that with the Battle Royale in the middle of like the top? Yeah, it says Battle Royale like right there. I can't show you because you're not, well, you are watching my stream, but it says Battle Royale like in the top of that little crack. But I gotta make this a little bit smaller. I gotta make it about like this so it covers the names and everything, but you know what I mean? I'm using a headset for a mic. Yeah, like a whole nother headset for a mic. Hold on. Do. What was I doing? Oh yes. One person's watching and that's you. There was like 3, 4 people on here, which is crazy because I normally don't get that many views. Well, I mean, I got 10 views once. Uh, what you call it? Kill. Oh, where are you going? Okay. Kill counter for OBS. game, live, game, kill, counter. What type of death counter can I use on OG? Frick. What type of death counter can I use on OBS? Kill counter.
What type of death counter can I use on OBS kill counter?
What type of kill counter can I use on OBS?
What type of kill counter can I use on OBS?
Here's how to set up a death counter in OBS in 2 minutes or less. Let's go. Right, okay, first thing you want to do is click the link down below in the video. I'll take you to this website here. When you get to this website, look for assets, and it's the top one, and it's an exe. Click that, download that, that's wherever you choose, that's fine, as you can see already have. Then you get this, run the program, choose where you want to install it. Once you've done that, launch the program itself. It'll look like this. First thing we want to do is go into settings, and we want to set our keybind so it will increase or decrease the counter. So for increase, I'm
Are you back? Hello? That's not good. Hold on, I'm fixing my stream right now. I'm trying to put my kill counter on. Yeah. Are you watching my stream? Yeah. Okay. You should see something pop up on the screen. Something new. Oh, it already popped up. That quick? Dang. But I think this is for deaths. Hopefully not. You want to try it and see if it's for deaths? Okay. So let's just go in any game. No, I want you to kill me in here and see if it's just for deaths. And then we could do Battle Royale if it counts for kills too. I wonder if the trophies count for kills. No, I want you to kill me in here and see if it's just for deaths. Yeah, I thought so. And then we can do Battle Royale if it counts for kills too. I wonder if the trophies count for kills. Yeah, I thought so. What'd I do? Alright, let me kill you first, okay? And then, where are you? Oh, you're up there. Come down. Alright, let me kill you first, okay? Alright, now kill me. Kill me. This thing is useless. It doesn't work. Or do I have to do it myself? This thing is useless. It doesn't work. Or do I have to do it myself? I'm just gonna delete the thing. Are you there? Hello? What happened? Nope. I just deleted the thing. Uh, how to get a kill counter on OBS.
How to get kill counter on OBS.
It's not what I want.
Let's just quickly go over how easy it is to add a
Bro,
counter
you just
overlay
kill
to
me
your
over and over
OBS
there.
stream. Log into the Simple Stream Overlay site. Click on your overlays. Find the template you want to use. We're going to use the counter overlay here. We're going to call it counter. Excellent. And then this is the editing panel. So you can change the font and the color. Make it red.
True, true.
Make the font size 40.
No, it disappeared. I needed that.
And then maybe we'll change the count itself to be 70.
Hold on.
Maybe, enter. No. How about baby? Yeah, there you go. We'll make it orange. Okay. Beautiful. You save it. And now,
I don't
when
know
you
if
want to add it
stream
to
wants
OBS,
to
which I
see
have open
that,
right here,
but
is what I'm recording this with, is you want to get the browser source information. So you copy the URL, come down here, add a browser source.
I want to see something. I want to see something.
Paste
Stay
in
still.
the browser source. I think it's going to be floating.
You rock it to the way.
This, I'm giving you sizes you can guess.
Go
here.
in the safe zone. I'm trying to do a clip.
That's about it. Leave everything else by default. And bam, there it is. Added in. So this is inside OBS. And now you can control, we're going to call it counter. Counter overlay to your OBS stream. Log into the Simple Stream Overlay site. Click on your overlays. Find the template you want to use. We're going to use the counter overlay here.
Simple stream
counter.
overlays.
Excellent. And then this is the editing panel. So you can change the font and the color. Make it red.
Yeah.
Make the font size 40. Okay. And then maybe we'll change the count itself to be 70. And maybe, I don't know, enter. No. How about baby? Yeah, there you go. We'll make it orange. Okay. Beautiful. You save it. And now,
Yo, you should see that. You should see that clip I just made. I went like this.
Is you want to get the browser source information, so you copy the URL.
Bro, it's like a
Add a browser source. This counter. Paste in the browser source.
what?
I think it's going to be floating over it. And then this, I'm giving you sizes you can guess.
Where I find them gloves?
Maybe 120. That's about it. Leave everything else by default. And bam, there it is. Added in. So this is inside OBS.
I'm good with them.
Control it with the controls. Let me move it over here so you can see.
Control panel
So
on
every
the
time I
web.
press this button, it's going to increase the count. So whatever your count is, how many people you've killed, or how many times you completed something, and that's it. totally ready to rock.
Did Burgess mess up?
Want to have your own death counter on your screen? With Touch Portal you can. Let's create it. We'll create a button that increments your death count, and 2 buttons to correct the count if needed. To keep track of the death count, we need to use a value. We've named it death count.
It wasn't gonna kill me.
When you press this button,
If you hit
we'll
me
increment
again.
the count by 1 and update the text in both Touch Portal and OBS. We start by adding the increment value action and let it increment our value by 1. We then open the on event section, add the when value changes event, and let it listen for every change where the value does not become -1. Effectively, this will always trigger when we change the value. We first update the text of the button to show the correct value. Then we add the OBS set source text action and point it to our source called death counter in our OBS scene. We save the button and let's test our counter.
No!
When we press it, we see the count increment on both the button and the OBS source. Next, we'll create a button to correct the counter in case we press the main button by mistake. We again add the increment value action, but set it to increment by -1. When we press this button, the counter is decremented by 1, and thanks to the event we set up earlier, the change is applied in both Touch Portal and OBS. Our last button is the counter reset button. For this, we use the set value action to reset our
I'm not even
counter
paying
to 0.
attention.
Let's see it in action.
To save and customize overlays, you need to be signed
If you
in.
found this
Okay.
guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps us a lot and it allows us to create more useful videos for you. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one. In this video, I'll show you how to set up a Touch Portal button that can start, focus and close an application. Let's put Touch Portal to work. Let's open a free spot on our grid and open a button editor. We start by setting an icon for this button. We add an icon by file and select the image we want to use for our button. And the first action we will add is the if statement. We select System, Current Processes, and set it to check if this contains notepad.exe. The system state current processes is an internal list that keeps track of all currently running applications on your system. We add the Launch Apps and Games action to the else section so that Notepad is launched when it's not on.
Bro, stop moving every time I do that, bro.
Let's test our button. We press the button and Notepad is started. Let's close it and press the button again. If you don't know what the process file name is of a specific application you want to use in a button like this, you can use the process and window title list tool in Touch Portal.
Hold on.
Click on the quick actions icon on the top right of the button editor screen and it will open a list of all running applications. Search the application you want to control and use the file name from that process. Let's get back to our button and continue with step 2, focusing the application if it is already running. We start by adding an if statement in the section when the current processes list does contain notepad.exe. We select System again, but now we choose Current Active Windows Process, which contains the process path of the currently focused application on Windows. We check if it does not contain notepad.exe. We will now search for the focus application action and add it inside our if statement. This action allows you to focus an application and bring it to the foreground, using a part of the process.
Where's my overlays?
We set it to notepad.exe. Our second step is done. So let's test the button again and see what it does. The button will open Notepad if it isn't running, and it will bring it to the foreground if it is. We are almost done with our button now. On to the final step. The last step is to close Notepad when it's the foreground application. We search for the close application action and add it to the section for when Notepad is running and is in the foreground. We select Force Close and this will force close the process immediately. You can choose Soft Close if you want to get a confirmation request from the application. application if you have unsafe
Alright, that's it.
movements.
You've kept me
Use
long
notepad
enough,
plus
man.
X also in this section. We're done. We save the button. And now
Oh, I
let's test it.
can't see you.
Pressing the button
Because you keep
will now close Notepad
flying.
when we press the button when Notepad is the foreground application. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps us a lot and it allows us to create more useful videos for you. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.
Ah. You moved just in the right time.
Touch Portal gives you access to several types of dials. Let's take a look at how they work and what you can do.
If you would stay still at the bottom,
We'll start by creating a volume dial for your audio. We open the button editor, and to change the nature of a control in Touch Portal, you need to use the top left selector and change it to a dial. I will adjust the cell size a bit so that the dial is big enough for this tutorial. We set the font size of the dial to 24, ensuring the volume level is large enough. A new dial is always preset to a given visual presentation. For this dial, we change the dial to style 2, which will remove the inner disc. We then make the progress bar blue and the container bar green. Now it is time to add functionality. We add a connector called Set Windows Volume to our control. This is a smart connector, which means that it will be updated even if the volume is changed outside the context of Touch Portal. And lastly, we add a change slider text connector so that the text of the dial will auto-update to the percentage.
How do I go to my overlay?
We save the dial and see how it works. The dial shows the current audio level of 64, and when we move it, we change the volume both on our dial and in Windows. Our second dial will be an on-off switch dial.
Yo, what do I do to my stream?
This will change the progression bar from a single bar to a bar of ticks. Our dial will have 2 ticks, one for on.
Bro, just kill me while I'm doing stuff.
Always one of those ticks, we set it to snap to tick. Since we only have 2 states, we set the range from 0 to 1. And to mimic a proper on-off dial, I change the start angle and maximum rotation degrees.
Alright, you killed me long enough, buddy.
While we can do a flat color dial like the first, it is nicer to use an image for the rotator this time.
No damage? That's crazy.
Let's add the function.
Right when I hit you, it did absolutely 0 damage.
Overlay color source to see my presentation, for which we will toggle the visibility on and
Hold on, I'm fit here, clip.
Let's see this in action. As I swipe left and right, the source gets shown or hidden accordingly. Our last
Don't mind my score.
Use image background to create a more personalized dial.
You lucky.
Background image, which we set as
the score.
Normally, the dial will be
180
text,
something score.
It takes the full available space of the control. We set it to ignore the text location. We then adjust the visuals of the dial so that it falls nicely in our background image. The scale setting allows us to do exactly that. It allows you to scale the bar circle so that it fits the background image. We use style 2 again for the dial, and we set the thickness to 20 to increase the thickness of the bar. We set the indicator to a normal bar instead of.
Bro, I was low.
We apply a red and gray color scheme. Another aspect of the dial. Selector and change it to a dial.
Let's just quickly go over how easy it is to add a counter overlay to your OBS stream. Log into the Simple Stream Overlay site. Click on your overlays. Find the template you want to use. We're going to use the counter overlay here. We're going to call it counter. Excellent. And then this is the editing panel. So you can change the font and the color.
I didn't get to the editing panel.
Make the font size 40. Okay. And then maybe we'll change the count itself to be
Counter
70. And maybe, I don't know,
over.
How about baby? There you go.
Like.
An arch. Okay. Beautiful. You save it. And now, when you want to add it to OBS, which I have open right here, is what I'm recording it now. Okay. And then maybe we'll change the count itself to be 70. And maybe, I don't know, no. How about baby? Beautiful. You save it. And now, when you want to add it to OBS, which I have open right here, is what I'm recording this with, is you want to get the browser source information. So you copy the URL, come down here, add a browser source of this counter, paste in the browser source. I think it's going to be floating over it, but and then this, I'm giving you sizes you can guess here: 250, maybe 120. That's about it. Leave everything else by default, and bam, here it is, added in. So this is inside OBS. The source. Hey, there you go. We'll make it arch. Okay, beautiful. You save it, and now when you want to add it to OBS, which I have open right here, is what I'm recording this with, is you want to get the browser source information. So you copy the URL, come down here, add a browser source, call this counter, paste in the browser source. I think it's going to be floating over it, but and then this, I'm giving you sizes you can guess here: 250, maybe 120. That's about it. Leave everything else by default, and bam, here it is, added in. So this is inside OBS, and now you can control it with the controls. Let me move it over here so you can see. So every time I press this button,
Simple stream
it's going to
overlays.
increase the count. So whatever your count is, how many people you've killed, or how many times you completed something, and that's it. Totally ready to rock.
Recently, I was chilling on X and I got sent this message. Just hacked your server for 5 minutes without getting caught. Oh yeah, you think my stuff sucks? You don't think you're gonna get caught? I guess it's time to put my stuff to the test. I'm gonna go on my auto account on my server and use X-ray and see how long it takes me to get caught. And if I don't get caught at all, they're all getting fired. Okay, I'm joking. They're not getting fired. Let's test how long it takes for me to get banned. But first, I have to somehow get myself a pickaxe in survival mode. Welcome back to the Donny Extra channel. And I know you're thinking, Donny, why are you so good looking today? First of all, relax, alright? I'm always good looking. Second of all, I'm here on my Minecraft server, play.trollring.
Hold on, bro. But I said. Oh, you're low. My bad, my bad. I had to. I had to restore your health. Ain't nobody pickaxing me. What's broken? 16. I can't even break. I can't even break through the dang wall. But make it make sense. A bullet could break through the wall. I didn't do it. But I'm about to. That ain't me. I'm so toxic. You went flying when I died. It's crazy. Hold on, I think I got it working now. So go here, sources, go here, hit OK. Let me kill you, please. Alright, edit skills. Bro, those are horrible. Did it go up? What, bro? Hold on. I got I gotta do some extreme editing. This is the beta version, so let me try the real thing. No, there ain't no real thing. Stream simple overlays. Hold on, let me go. Hold on, let me go. Please tell me I don't have to subscribe to these bitches. Nah, sure. But it takes away all your guns and then you gotta get your loadout again. What? Bro's invincible. You know, if you throw a bunch of cans. I don't know, but you could do this with them. Don't throw them at me. I'm doing something with them. Bro, can I have my harpoon back, please? Not like that. All I have is a rusty can. And somehow I cracked your shield. And how much health are you at? Here, let me Alright. No, you're dead. No, you can't. You cheater. I can't see. I'm getting blinded by a can. I can't see, so if I'm hitting you, I'm sorry. I can't see you, bro, okay? It collects a lot. Why is bro on so early? No, not.